Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone and select Bluetooth. Locate the Airpods entry and tap the information icon to forget the device. Confirm that you want to forget those Airpods and remove pairing data from the phone now. Next, place the Airpods in their charging case and close the lid for at least 5 seconds to prepare for a reset. Keep the iPhone unlocked and Bluetooth enabled while you perform the next steps. With the Airpods inside the case, close the lid and wait 5 seconds to ensure full contact. Open the lid and locate the Setup button on the back of the case. Press and hold the Setup button for 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber, then white. When the light flashes white, the Airpods have reset and have cleared prior pairings. Keep the lid open and keep the case within 3 to 4 inches of your phone for the next pairing step. Bring the open Airpods case within 3 to 4 inches of your iPhone to trigger the pairing prompt. When the Connect prompt appears, tap Connect and follow any on-screen instructions to complete the setup. If prompted, enable features like automatic ear detection and device switching. After pairing, test audio by playing music and confirm the microphone works by making a quick call. If issues persist, charge the case to above 50%.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.